Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for deciding to click on today's video. We are doing our Allure Beauty Box unboxing. I have here my box for the month of January. We're going to be diving into all of the products, seeing what came this month, seeing if it's worth the value. So why don't we go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Alright, if you are new to my channel or you're new to these Allure unboxings, I do this every single month here on my channel. Allure is a monthly subscription service. It is $23 every single month. We receive full-size items as well as some deluxe-size items. And they recently just upped the box price and also the value that's going to be in here. So I always kind of like to keep an eye on that because it's kind of like a new subscription in a way. Previously, they were $15 a month and you mostly received a few full-size, but for the most part, we were receiving like deluxe size. So this is kind of like their new vamped up version, so I'm excited to see what we got for the month of January. Each one of the boxes is going to come with this little magazine right here. It's going to tell you all of the info on the products, the prices, everything like that you will need is in this little manual right here. So I'm just going to start diving in and seeing what we have here. So up first, this is a Mani-Me times Allure, handpicked by Allure, made for you. This card may be used to scan your nails on mayame.com. Interesting. It says scan your nails, shop Manny's, redeem code, peel, and wear. So it says purchase of one $30 value. So here's what it looks like you can choose from in the designs. I'm very curious about this. Like, is there free shipping or do we have to pay for shipping? I'm not exactly sure. It says that $15 to $25 is the retail value. These are stickers that you can apply to your nails and they will last up to 2 weeks. So I'm very interested to see if this is like just completely free or if you have to pay for shipping, because that would be, I'm not sure. You guys will have to let me know if you've done this. I'm going to have to check it out and see. I'm not sure why you wouldn't just get like a random one, but I guess that's cool if you get to like pick your own. Maybe you get to like customize the size of it or something. Okay, so we have that, and then I want to grab the next product in here. This is from Desirate, and this is a Hydrating Boosting Serum. So here's what that looks like. A lot of times we do get like deluxe sizes, but I know with this new box they're supposed to be offering like new larger sizes. So this one here looks like it's a full size. Here's what it looks like. So I'll go ahead and read about this one because I've never heard of this brand before. So we'll have to see what this one is about. Okay, so I do not see this one. So this is actually going to be one of the gifts. So Allure gives out gifts if you do sign up for them. So this will be one of the gifts. It also looks like you could actually get this other product as well. And this is the Serum, the Absolute Serum from the same brand here. So I don't think actually these are full size. I think these are deluxe size samples, but I won't pull that out. But here's what you get, one of these two in your box if you decide to sign up. So I think you get to pick one of the two of those. Okay, so far all we've gotten is the nails, because those ones are, like I said, are just gifts with purchase. But we have another product in here. This one is definitely full size. This is from Saturday Skin. It's the Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. Here's what that looks like. I've heard of this brand before, but I've never actually tried any of their products. I believe they're sold at Sephora, I'm pretty sure. Here's what the peel looks like right there, and it just says start over by gently rubbing your dullness away. Cleanse, pat dry, gently apply to your face, rub in circular motions, rinse with lukewarm water. So maybe used once or twice a week. So it's going to just help to exfoliate your skin. I want to go ahead and see the retail price here on this one. So this does retail for $28, and it does say you can buy it at Sephora. So I knew I'd seen them somewhere. So let me know if you guys have tried this one. If you are looking at my makeup, this has been on my face for, let's see, I put this on almost 12 hours, so a very long time. It's surviving quite well. I'll have all of the products linked down below in case you guys are interested. But the next product in here is from the Beauty Corp, and this is a blush duo, a cream blush duo. And I've heard of this brand before as well, but I don't think I've ever tried any of their products. Okay, so here's what it looks like right here. It says the blush duo. Packaging like feels okay on this. It feels a little cheap, but here is the inside there. So it looks like we have a cream blush and then also a powder product as well. It seems like they have a nice formula to them. Here's the swatches. They look pretty. I feel like that's a very like nice color that I feel like a lot of people would get use out of. So that is cute. Again, packaging I don't love on that. It doesn't feel that great, but the actual product looks pretty. The cost on it is $10. Okay, so that's like not very pricey, so I was like wondering the cost on that one. Okay, so we have up next from Trey Luxurious. This is a Super Moisture lipstick. So we have a lipstick. This is full size here. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so we have like a nice deeper nude shade, it looks like. So I'll go ahead and give this a swatch. I haven't heard of this brand either. This looks like a cream formula. The color's actually really pretty. I like the color a lot. It reminds me of the color of my dress actually, but that one is pretty. I can't say much about this formula because I've never tried this brand before. It's in the shade Vintage Rose. Again, it's True and Luscious is the brand. It's a Super Moisture lipstick, has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E in it. And the cost on this one is $22 for that. Okay, and then we have a little L'Occitane product. This is a creme, and here's what that looks like. This is just like a little deluxe mini of this. So I've heard of this brand. I believe this brand is pretty pricey, but let's see about this cream. So yeah, it's a $110 cream for the full size. You are getting like just the smaller amount. So let's see what it says. So it just sounds like a moisturizer. It says it helps to brighten and not dry out your skin. There's not really a ton of info on here, but it has primrose and sunflower. So I don't know. Let me know if you guys have tried this. Again, it's kind of pricey, like $110, so you wouldn't get very much. I probably would say like with a cream, like a moisturizer in here, maybe like, I don't know, 3 or 4 uses, so not like a ton, but you could try it out, see what you thought of it. And then we just have one more product in here, and it is one of these little tiny itty bitty sponges, and these are from Base Blue. I've tried this actually before. I'm not going to open mine because I don't use mini sponges like this too often, but I can tell you they are pretty soft. I love their packaging. I think it's super cute. It's like a little diamond, and I don't know how much they sell these for. I know their full-size sponges are pretty affordable, I believe, so the smaller one is $7, so that's pretty pricey for like a mini sponge actually. I didn't know they were that pricey. I thought they were like cheaper for their actual sponge. Okay, so I feel like you can tell from like my tone that I'm not like super impressed with this month. I always get excited for like the new year when it comes to subscription services. I feel like this is their time to like wow us, to like make us want to subscribe to like the entire year. And like honestly, I'm not that impressed with this box. We have a mini sponge. We have the full-size lipstick. We do have the Saturday Sunday peel. And then we had the blush duo. And then we had the nail card. Because technically those other 2 products were free gift with purchase. So you would only get these serums, or one of these serums, if you were signing up. So really, realistically, all we got was 4 full-size products, technically, if I'm counting the nails, and then you got the little mini thing, and then you also got the mini cream. So 6 products all together. I'm just not that impressed, honestly. $23 is actually comparable now with like BoxyCharm and other subscription services where I feel like we get like palettes and like full-size items, and I just feel like, I don't know, like this seems cheap to me. I'm not super impressed with this. I've gotten way better Allure boxes before. I think I'm going to be a little bit more critical of them now too, that they have upped the price, because I know like $15 is a little bit better when you're getting like smaller products, I feel like, because at least then you're not spending like as much. And now like with $23, I kind of feel like I should be more wowed. I'm very curious about this nail thing though. I am going to look it up, and I'm going to see if I get to pick it out just like completely for free, or if you have to pay for shipping, because if you really have to pay for shipping with this, then it's like a whole other thing. But okay, I'm going to leave it at that for this Allure box. I'm hopeful that the year will be better. We will get newer, better boxes in the new year. I mean, you may be really excited about this box. I'm not knocking it completely. There could be something in there that you're like, yes, I want to sign up for it. This is what I want. I'll have a link down below in case you do want to go ahead and sign up for it, but I don't know. I'm not like blown away. So there's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and you did find it helpful in some way. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, friends.